Confined spaces are found in many industries, such as oil and gas, marine, and chemical sectors. These spaces can be extremely dangerous to work in due to their size and the hazards they present. Traditionally, inspections in these areas have required humans to enter and check for issues, putting their safety at risk. However, drones are changing the way we approach these inspections, making them safer, quicker, and more cost-effective. Confined spaces are areas that aren't designed for continuous occupancy, but they are big enough for workers to enter and do specific jobs. They often have limited or tricky ways to get in and out. Inspecting confined spaces is very dangerous. Every year, around 90 to 100 people in the United States die from incidents in confined spaces. Workers can be exposed to harmful gases, face the risk of not having enough oxygen, and have to navigate through tight, awkward spaces. Traditional methods of inspection are often slow, incomplete, and pose significant risks to the safety of the inspectors. Moreover, rescuers often face the same dangers as those they are trying to save, leading to many fatalities. Shockingly, 60% of all deaths in confined spaces are people trying to rescue others. Drones have revolutionized how we inspect confined spaces. These small flying machines are equipped with high-tech cameras and sensors, making them perfect for inspecting dangerous areas. Types of drones used for this purpose include quadcopters and specialized drones like the Helios 3 by Flyability, which are designed specifically for tight and hazardous environments. Drones reduce the need for humans to enter dangerous spaces, significantly lowering the risk of accidents and exposure to harmful substances. They can complete inspections much faster and more thoroughly than humans. Using drones means less need for expensive safety equipment and procedures, leading to cost savings. Drones can also reach places that are too dangerous or impossible for humans to enter. Many industries are now using drones for confined space inspections. In the oil and gas industry, drones inspect storage tanks, pipelines, and offshore platforms. The marine industry uses drones to check ship hulls and cargo holds. Success stories show that drones like the Helios 3 by Flyability perform exceptionally well in various situations. It's essential to follow industry standards and regulations to ensure safe and reliable drone inspections. Certifications from organizations like Lloyd's Register help companies comply with these standards. Best practices include proper training for drone operators, regular maintenance of drones, and following safety protocols. The future looks bright for confined space inspections with drones. New technologies are emerging that will make drones even more effective. Advances in artificial intelligence and autonomous drones will lead to more precise and efficient inspections. AI-driven data analysis will allow companies to predict and fix issues before they become serious problems. Drones are transforming confined space inspections, making them safer, faster, and cheaper. By reducing the need for humans to enter dangerous areas, drones minimize risks and ensure thorough inspections. Continued innovation and adherence to safety standards will be vital to maximize the potential of drone technology and keep confined space operations safe. Stay safe, stay innovative, embrace drone technology for a safer future.